Hi guys, welcome back to CALLY's kitchen. Today I'll show you how I prepared my stir-fried vegetables with saltfish. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to CALLY's kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, CALLY's kitchen. The link for my Facebook page will be in the description box. You can go ahead and try out all of my recipes. They are all listed in the description box, and I want you to just send me a DM, send me a message via Facebook of a meal that you want to see me prepared on my channel for you. Once again, guys, thank you for all of your support and thank you for all of your love. Here are the ingredients that I'm going to use for my stir-fried vegetable and saltfish. Here I have my carrot. I also have broccoli, cauliflower, and I also have a piece of cabbage. Here I have my saltfish, and I already went ahead and boiled my saltfish 3 times to remove the excess salt. I also have my onion, my scallion, my bell peppers and garlic. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and slice up my vegetables. So first I'm just gonna go ahead and slice up the cabbage. And guys, please note that for my stir-fried vegetables, I'm not going to slice the vegetables too small nor too big, just the right size, bite sizes. So I'm just slicing up the broccoli now, and I also sliced up the cauliflower. Now it's time to go ahead and slice up my carrot. Once again, guys, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you're watching this video, please subscribe to my channel, CALLY's Kitchen. The link for my Facebook page will be in the description box. You can go ahead and follow me also on Facebook. I'll also post videos over on my Facebook page, and you can also follow my personal Instagram page. I'll also add the link in the description box. And guys, don't forget, you can always check out all of my recipes. They're all listed in the description box. Go ahead and let me know what you think, and also you can send me a message via Instagram or Facebook of a meal that you want to see me prepared for you on my channel. And remember to tell a friend to tell another friend about CALLY's Kitchen. So I'm just slicing up the rest of my carrots. Guys, for this stir-fried vegetable, you can have it with some fried dumpling, with some green plantains. You can have it with dumplings, cooked dumpling, also rice. Whatever you choose, you can have your stir-fried vegetables and saltfish with. And this is a great breakfast idea. And guys, this is what my vegetables looks like after I finish cutting them up. Alright guys, so with my stir-fried vegetables, what I like to do, I like to go ahead and boil my vegetables for like 2 minutes. And I'm also gonna add a piece of butter and a small amount of salt to my vegetables. And I'm just gonna boil this for 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna remove it from the fire. Because you don't want to overcook your vegetables. You want to always ensure that they have a little bit of crunch. So while my vegetables are boiling, I'm just going to go ahead and cut up my seasoning. So I'm just going to cut up the onion first. And guys, as you can see also, I'm not cutting up the onion too small. I want it to also be a little bit big so that it has the crunch. Once again, guys, please subscribe to CALLY's Kitchen. Also follow me on Facebook, CALLY's Kitchen, and you can also follow my personal Instagram page. The link will be in the description box. Oh guys, I forget to show you that I'm going to also use a piece of Scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm just slicing up my Scotch bonnet pepper. And you know you don't want to add too much pepper because some Scotch bonnet pepper is really, really hot. And you don't want to spoil the flavor of your stir-fried vegetables by using too much pepper. So now that I'm finished cutting up my seasoning, I'm just going to put this to the side and I'm just going to go ahead and debone my saltfish. So as you can see now guys, I'm deboning my saltfish because you don't want to cook your saltfish with bone in it. You want to always ensure that you remove the bone from your saltfish before cooking, and also you want to remove the scale from your saltfish. And guys, this is a really easy and simple recipe. You can go ahead and try it for your family. You can go ahead and give it to the kids. If you want your kids to eat vegetables, you can go ahead and try this recipe. It's a great breakfast idea. And don't forget to hit me up on Facebook, hit me up on Instagram, and tell your friend about Cally J's Kitchen. And remember to subscribe, remember to share with your family, remember to hit that notification bell so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to get the video. So now guys, I'm just showing you what the vegetables looks like while boiling. And as you can see, it's still firm. It's not breaking apart. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this from the flame because you don't want to overcook your vegetables. And then I'm gonna show you what I do next. So now guys, it's time to go ahead and start cooking my stir-fried vegetables. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead, add the onion, add the Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm also gonna go ahead and add the scallion and also the garlic and the bell pepper to a small amount of oil, and I'm just gonna stir this for roughly a minute because you want to get all of that flavor from your ground seasoning. So you want to always ensure that you get the flavor from all of this seasoning. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and add my deboned saltfish. And you're just gonna give that a little stir. And guys, as you can see, my onion and my bell peppers are still firm. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and add my broccoli, my cauliflower, my carrot, and my cabbage. And I'm just gonna stir this. You want to just ensure that you get everything, that everything is evenly distributed. So I'm just gonna stir this. And also guys, I'm gonna add some powder seasoning. And when I say powder seasoning, I mean like black pepper and a little all-purpose seasoning, and this is natural all-purpose seasoning. So as you can see, I am adding the all-purpose seasoning, and after I add the all-purpose seasoning, I combine the vegetables with the all-purpose seasoning. And I'm going to go ahead and add some parsley flakes. The parsley give it a nice finishing look. So I'm just adding the parsley flakes. and I'm just gonna combine. Guys, look at that. Looks so delicious. And guys, you want to always ensure that you taste, because sometimes it might need a little bit more salt. So always taste while cooking. So guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and leave this for roughly 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna remove it from the flame, and I'm gonna show you the final look of my stir-fry vegetable. And guys, this is the final look of my stir-fry vegetables and saltfish. Don't forget guys to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to CALLY Kitchen. I hope you enjoy this video guys, and see you in the next video.